Welcome back to S.A.A. Academy. In this class, we are going to discuss about PGTRB examination preparation strategy. So, PGTRB chemistry exam ke eppadi prepare பண்ணனும் அப்படின்ற விஷயத்தை பார்க்க போறோம். The expected mark to get your name in the selection list. From my experience, I can say that from 2002 PGTRB exams having been conducted. For any category peoples, even for OC also, I can say that if you get more than 105 marks out of 150, I can say sure that you can get your name in the selection list. For category people, I can say that if you get more than 95 marks around 100, you can get your name in the selection list. This is what happened in the previous exams. So far PGTRB has been conducted. TRB has announced that the examination will be conducted from 13th November. Since there are 2 months are available for us for our preparations. In this way, there are 10 units are in chemistry and 10 units are in psychology, and more than that you can also study the GK. I can give you a strategy by getting a 95 or above 90 out of 110 marks from subject chemistry and 15 to 20 marks from psychology and around 5 marks from GK. Definitely I hope this will be the strategy for your success in the examination. I can say that in the subject chemistry there are 10 units are there. In this there are some hot topics are also there. At the same time there are some easy topics are also there. If you concentrate on both the topics and more concentrate on easy topics, you can get a full marks in those topics. Now I will discuss about the topics where we have to give more concentrations and where we have to give less concentrations, and don't waste your time. This unit is a very easy unit. The first unit, it consists of periodic properties, different types of bonds and different types of theories and its significance, and solid state chemistry is also there. For this unit you can get more materials and more question papers which are available as an open source, but if you concentrate more on this unit you can get easily around 9 to 10 marks from this unit. Unit 2 consisting of coordination chemistry and stereochemistry. This topic is also very easy one, but there are so much of question papers you have to practice before the examinations, because in stereochemistry we have books like P.S. Kalsi is there, and in coordination chemistry also they have given us methods of preparation and formation constant. Those things are there. In this unit I can expect that we can expect some numerical calculations, so you have to prepare this numerical calculations so it can give you marks easily. The third unit, it consists of organic reactions and mechanisms, chemistry of some natural products. But the first part, organic reactions and mechanisms, the syllabus is maybe a simple one, but it requires a very hard work. There are so many books are there for this organic reactions and mechanisms. So I can say that you have to practice the previous questions in these topics. And even for chemistry of natural products, there are so many books are there. You have to get previous questions, and some hints will help you to get more information about these topics. But I can say that this is very really big unit. It will consume most of your times. So I can say that if you concentrate more, you can get around 8 to 9 marks from this unit. Unit 4, quantum chemistry and group theory is there. The first part, quantum chemistry, we can expect some numerical problems, but these numerical problems are very easy. Apart from that, there are some hard questions also we can expect from this unit. But there are so much of books are there, but so many vast materials. I can say you have to concentrate very little in this quantum chemistry. And the second part, group theory, is a very easy one. You have to pay more attention in this, and also a little bit less in quantum chemistry, because in the first part of quantum chemistry you can get some numerical problems. That part will be very less easy, but in the second part in the quantum chemistry it requires some wide knowledge and wide studying. So I can say that in the second part of quantum chemistry you have to pay less attentions than the other part of the syllabus. And please note it in your mind, the first part in quantum chemistry it requires the numerical problems. This will really helpful to you to get your name in the selections, because most of the peoples won't prepare these numerical problems from quantum chemistry for their examinations. So if you prepare regularly this before the examinations, I can surely say you can put your name in the selection list. The second part of this unit, group theory, this also require some numerical problems. If you practice very well before the exams, it will be much more helpful to you to get around 8 to 9 marks. I can say that if you get 8 to 9 marks from this unit, it is more than enough. Unit 5 consists of thermodynamics and statistical thermodynamics, and the next part, analytical chemistry. Thermodynamics and statistical thermodynamics, you have to, I can say, you have to bet a little concentration than the other part of the syllabus. And analytical chemistry, it will be much more easy, but it requires vast preparations. You have to look for the previous questions for this unit and prepare for the examinations. But I can say that if you get 8 to 9 marks from this unit, it will be much more useful to you. Unit 6 consists of nuclear chemistry and organometallic chemistry. This unit is a very easy one. If you pay more concentration, definitely I can say that you can get more than 9 to 10 marks. In every unit you can generally expect around 10 to 12 questions, but this unit you can expect around 12 questions. If you pay more concentrations, nuclear chemistry is such a easy one. There are some hard lines will also be there, but nuclear chemistry and organometallic chemistry both are the very easy ones. There are so many materials are there, so many questions are available as an open source. You can download and study on it with yourself. So this unit, if you pay more concentrations, you can get around 10 marks, 10 to 11 marks easily. This 7th unit, it has the spectroscopy in all the inorganic point of view. This unit, I can say you can expect around 10 questions, 8 to 10 questions. But this unit, I can say that you have to pay a little interest, little concentration compared to other units, because these units require a vast amount of studying and vast references. If you get around 7 to 8 marks from this unit, is more than enough, I hope, because it requires very huge time to complete this unit. In this unit, the first part of this unit requires the numerical problems like DD transitions and term symbols and its calculations, which will be much more easy. You can get easy marks from this type. And also in the later part, you can get ESR spectroscopy, mass bar spectroscopy. Those you can get easy marks. So I hope you can concentrate more in that part of the unit. 8th unit consists of pericyclic reactions and organic naming reactions. This unit is a very easy one. You can score easily around 10 marks in this unit easily. So if you concentrate more in this unit, you can get good marks. So it is better to solve previous year's questions and CSIR and GATE questions. You will get good knowledge to do this unit. 9th unit consists of chemical kinetics and electrochemistry. For chemical kinetics, you can refer from Laidlaw, and electrochemistry you can get some information from Gladstone. But the time is very limited. We have only 2 months. So it is better, I can suggest you to refer the previous year questions, and you can select some notes, so it will be very useful to you. For this unit, you can get around 8 to 9 marks, but you have to pay a little more concentration in this unit. The 10th and the last unit consists of 2 parts: theories and applications of spectroscopy where you have to know about all the theories of the spectroscopy, and polymer chemistry is there. So this unit, the second part will be a very easy one. The first part will be a little bit tougher one. So I can suggest you to pay more interest in second part, and you can get more easy marks. But in first part also you can get some direct questions, and some calculations will be there. And finally, I can suggest you to practice more and more questions, since for the examinations we have only 2 months are there, around 6 weeks are there. So within this time you have to finish your preparations. So I can suggest you to prepare more and more questions in this short time. I think it is very hard to refer all the available books. So practice, select your notes and practice your questions, and develop your own shortcuts. In the examination you can't do all the practices at a time, so it is better to prepare your own shortcut methods for remembering. Finally, I can suggest you to practice and practice more questions, so it will give you more confidence in the examinations to face the examination. I hope this session will be much more useful to you to start your preparations, hopefully in the right way. So thank you so much for watching this session. Thank you.